Hello, my name is Silvia Mendez and this is my presentation for my Enhancement 1 for CIT 336. So I built this site called Acme and I use NetBeans, and this is the homepage that has all the content as it was required. So I use the HTML5 to create this. I use the semantic structures like the header, the nav, the navigation, the main, and the footer. I include the viewport meta and the media screens for the media screen attribute for the CSS element. So the links contain the title attributes, and the images contain the alt attributes. I use the external CSS for all the styling, and I store it in the CSS folder. I created the common folder and I put there the footer, the header, and the nav PHP. And this is the homepage, and I use the inspect to work on each part of the page. I use the web developer to validate the HTML. Has no errors, and also to validate the CSS, and also no errors. Okay, and here it is, the template PHP. Here it is. So here is the logo, my tools, the navigation bar, the content, and the footer, as well as the same in the home page. Okay, so looking in the inspect, you can see that it is responsive, and here is, it's really small. Here it is for the Galaxy S5, which has 360 pixels. Here you can see the whole thing. Okay, or you can see it like this. So here I'm in the full screen mode and expanse, so it is responsive. The responsiveness is in place. So I use the web developer extension while validating the HTML and the CSS, and there was no error. Thanks for watching.